As unlikely as it is to happen, sneezing can be incredibly dangerous. If you were to sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib, and while that might hurt, it isn't nearly as bad as what can happen if you hold in a sneeze. If you try to suppress a sneeze, it can cause you to rupture an eardrum, or if you get really unlucky, it can even rupture a blood vessel in a number of locations, including your brain, eyes, and even your neck. So while you might want to not stand out and suppress that sneeze, I would suggest you just let it out and don't risk death or disfigurement over something so insignificant. And don't forget that